It looks brand new on you. Go for it, Jesse. What's good, E-Fam? Welcome back to the channel. We're here, Baldwin Park. Just grabbed our boba at Mississippi. I have my brother-in-law Jesse with me today, using the stealth bomber, borrowing the stealth bomber that we have. I have a Super73 RX 72 volt, and they got their EUC, Dan, and also Greg leading the ride. We're just going to Santa Fe Dam. Very chill leisure ride today. It's funny, we were just grabbing boba and we always somehow connect with Greg, almost always at the same time too. So, ironically. Busy left. Alright. My brother-in-law Jesse has never been to Santa Fe Dam, so he's typically a road cyclist. So he was, out of all the bikes today that he wanted to borrow, he wanted something that uses chains, and he actually wanted to pedal today, but the stealth bomber and this bike were the only ones that I had charged, so it's too bad. Alright, I'm just following Greg wherever we're going. I'm not really too sure. He wanted to go this way towards Santa Fe Dam. Kind of shortcut. There's like a bike lane that we didn't have to get off of. Greg always has a new toy. Every week, every month, it feels like. It's always a good feeling. Originally, there was just going to be us two. The more the merrier. To me, it's like, the more the safer too. The more visible you are when there's 4 of you versus when there's 2 of you. Nice to have EV rider neighbors, basically. Righties. Bumps. Here we go. Santa Fe Dam is within our reach. This lane, Jesse. Greg, let's park at the dock where we could drink.
Okay, I'll follow you guys.
Okay. My brother-in-law hasn't been here.
Okay.
Just want to show him around a little. Yeah. All right, let me lead for a little bit. Instead of going up there, we're just gonna be by the boat docks. This 72 volt actually, so it's a 72 volt 25 amp battery, but I also added a battery combiner, so I also have a 52 volt 20 amp battery here. It's just that it just gets a little slower after I drain my 72 volts. Typically I go 43 miles per hour top speed with a 72 volts, but with the when that drains and when it goes to 52 volts, I only go about 33, 35 miles per hour or something like that. All right, here we go. launching area. Sometimes I like to break here too, at least for 15 to 20 minutes, and drink our boba. There we go. Break time. I'll follow you guys. There's the ride. I don't know if you could see. The 72 volts is right here, and then the 52 volt battery up here. And here's the battery blender. What do you mainly ride? That okay? Oh, that's good. Yeah, because you could just. It's affordable. Yeah. Not as hard as a bike. Me, I feel alive in mountain biking. That's more my style, and even Crystal too. Because that's when you feel like roller coaster, and you could jump and stuff. Here it's just a regular. Yeah. Yeah. I like the mountain bike thrill. Yeah. Because also if you fall on dirt, it's like soft padding versus falling on concrete. Yeah.
I don't like the downhill part. Downhill part, I can feel my weight.
Yeah, it's because you haven't had the right downhill. I was supposed to take you to Turnbull today, but the rain, it's not good conditions. But when I take you to Turnbull,
it's the other way, right? Other hill.
Other mountain, yeah. Well, I'll get you to like it, hopefully. Just press up for more speed, because right now you're only on 1. Restroom break. And then we're going to go up Santa Fe Dam, maybe take a little bit more pictures, so forth and so on. And then I think the idea was a break at Encanto Park. Oh, hey, Onyx, nice. What's he doing here? There's just an Onyx on the truck. Actually, we might just book out early. No Encanto Park for us, because we got to go in and out, and we have like a family event. At least for me and Jesse, I think we're going to dip out. These guys can ride 30 to 40 miles today, but not us. Alright, going up the bike lane. Just last look at the sunset. And then we're probably dipping out early. We like to watch the sunset here. Typically, it dips over. This one will take you all the way to the beach. If you just keep going this way, it'll make a left.
How far is the dam? Like 2 miles?
This, yeah, because it connects like this and then it goes up north. Yeah, so if you continue this bike lane, I think it's like 35 miles to get to the Seal Beach.
Yeah, I've done that.
Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, around 30 miles. Turnbull's up there, yeah. It's actually right this one actually. I think you'll like Turnbull. Most everyone I know likes mountain biking there. We're gonna catch up to Greg and Dan. It's a nice shot right here. You can see the change of the sky colors for sure. Looks like I'm at about 70 volts, so my 72 volt battery juice is about to get slower. Yeah, those guys are far already. But they typically stop somewhere there and then they U-turn. And when we had those rainy months, this was actually flooded for, months after that. Now it's just, becoming normal, I guess. So when you go road cycling, how many miles do you guys go for? Oh, okay. 50 is normal?
50 is
Oh.
20 miles is like, that's like a good
Yeah.
workout.
Good session. Yeah.
1 hour, 1 hour and a half.
Okay.
50 miles is like, that's like playing basketball for 4 hours.
Gotcha.
They want to do like 70 to 100 miles.
Whoa, shit.
Kind of like a 6-hour, 8-hour day.
Yeah, full day. I was actually gonna say, you guys continue. We have to go. Yeah, have to go feed the wife. All right. I know you guys will probably do 30 or 40 miles today. Dan, good seeing you. Yeah. Alrighty, you guys ride safe, huh? Where you guys heading? Okay. All right. Yeah, let me know if it's flooded or not. All right. See you guys. So if you go south, there's some sections where it's normally flooded, especially after rain. No, our home is that way, and then in and out where we're going. But this one, if you keep going, yeah, that'll take you to Seal Beach, and that's the one that has flooded, maybe. I'm not sure. They might check though. All right, just exited Santa Fe Dam. We're gonna grab some in and out. Let's get it. All right, in and out. Here we go. We may have entered in a different manner, but that's all right. We'll just make a U-turn. Yikes. Maybe we'll order through the window. Let's order it through the window. Yeah? It's a long drive through today. Alright folks, that's going to be in today's quick vlog. Gotta get the wife food. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on the Super73 arielrider or a DIY bafang kit.
You can order and then I can treat you.
And then alright, see you guys in the next ride. Peace.